From Ismail, how do you justify a high retainer price for email copywriting services on the sales call? So, um, so the first part of the answer is that you need to justify it by deserving it, meaning that you can prove that you've got what it takes to get the client a return on their investment. So if you're just starting out and you decided that you want to just sell expensive retainers for email copywriting, you're going to have a hard time doing that. But assuming that's not what you're trying to do and you're trying to justify a retainer that you deserve, then the way that you can structure sales calls is pretty simple. The first thing, well, also let me give a reference to a module in the program. There's a module with Brian Sparinello talking about freelancing. Excuse me. So look into that. That's a really great interview. Brian's an incredible freelancer and one of the most organized freelancers and professional freelancers I've ever met.